Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I want to show you around this Range Rover Velar SV Autobiography in Byron Blue with a satin finish. This is a 5 litre petrol, and as you can see you have privacy glass, black roof rails, 21-inch gloss dark grey finish alloys and red brake calipers, along with a powered tailgate. Going into the boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs or pushchairs, but you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. To shut the boot, you can use that button there or the one on your key. Carrying on round the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it by pressing the button on the handle, as long as the key's near me. And you can also do the same for locking it, which is a lot easier, especially if you have your hands full. Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous two-tone leather interior, which is easy to clean. You have a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just if you would like some more fresh air. And you can close it using the same button. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. Voice recognition, meaning if you press the button on your wheel, you can make commands such as changing the radio station or making calls. You do also have Bluetooth to connect your phone. The sat nav, which is great if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with, which can also be seen on the screen in front of you, along with a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving: grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand, and you can also see it changing on the screen in front of you again. And you have an eco mode and comfort program. Different suspension, whether you want it higher for off-roading, in the middle for normal driving, or lower to make it easier getting in and out of the car. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you also have massage, which is a real luxury to have. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, again luxury in winter. And you can change the layout on your display depending on your preference, whether you would like 2 dials, 1 dial, a map, which is easier to see if you're using the sat nav, or your media. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.